Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Adrienne and I've been in the fashion industry for over 15 years. As a wardrobe stylist and a makeup artist for private clients, fashion shows, as well as editorial photo shoots. In 2012, I took on the biggest challenge of my career and became a mom. I took some time off to raise my son, as well as learn how to plan, budget, and coordinate events. Now that I'm back, I decided to start this channel so that I might bring some fresh content from the perspective of a single, mature mom and artist. Today's video is going to be all about how I unquarantined myself and got myself out of quarantine mode and got back into wearing makeup every day. So I look forward to bringing you this new content, and if you do like this video, I hope you will subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Today is a day that I have decided it is time to unquarantine myself and get myself back on track. So here we are, we're starting off with skincare, and we are starting off with the Glam Glow Mask. If you haven't tried the Glam Glow Mask, I highly recommend picking it up. I actually purchased mine on Amazon. It starts off as a very dark gray, and as you apply it to the skin and it lightens, it becomes this light gray color. And then as your oils start to come through the mask, which I believe is the most amazing part of it, you'll be able to see it starts to darken up. That means that all the oil and dirt and debris from the pores of your skin are coming to the surface so that you can just basically wipe it away. So follow me on my journey today. As you can see, we'll be doing hair, we'll be doing skin, and we will just be unquarantining myself today. We're going to talk a little bit more about hair care and why it is my hair color is so bad. So skincare first, and then we'll get into hair. Feel amazing. I feel like my skin is clean and fresh, and my skin is looking amazing. I can see I missed a couple spots cleaning it up, but that is the skin. It looks healthy and glowing. Step is going to be our second mask, which is another Glam Glow mask. Here it is. This is the Thirsty Mud. Also purchased on Amazon. So the Thirsty Mud, I believe, is such a great mask because it is incredibly hydrating, and it does exactly what it says. If your skin is thirsty, this is what you need. So normally what I do is just take an old makeup brush that the handle's broken off of and just apply it to the skin. All over, getting all the crevices. Just do a nice layer on the skin. Now, this mask says to keep it on for 20 minutes, and then you can remove it. I actually leave it on the entire day because it also says you can do that. Over. Don't forget your neck. And it says to do this mask 2 to 3 times a week. and I tell you, it makes a huge difference. So there we are, our Thirsty Mud mask on. And next up, hair. Thank God, it is bad. So here we are, we've got our mask on, it's hydrating the skin, that Thirsty Mud is doing its job, and next up is hair. So my hair actually was over processed. I actually colored my hair because of the gray. I've tried every other color under the sun, nothing covers the gray, so I decided I'll just start lightening it, and that actually works very well. I over processed it quite a bit and had to go on a little bit of a health journey in order to get it back into some good condition. So the products that I used in order for it to come back were all protein based, obviously. So I'm sure everyone has probably heard of the AB-FAB protein two-step system. That was a game changer, and I will probably be using that today after I apply the color to the hair. But the AB, believe the hype. Everything that everyone talks about this product is true. It does have a weird smell. It does harden the hair, and you can't touch it, but totally worth trying if you need to get your hair back in some really good condition. Also, in between that, I would use that maybe every 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, and then in between I would use the Shea Moisture, this product here, the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I absolutely loved it. You just put it on. I would leave it on for an entire day and rinse out. It's actually an amazing product. And then I always go with my Carol Starter. I do have the Carol Starter shampoo, the Curl Crunch shampoo. I absolutely love and swear by, as well as the Goddess Strength Leave-In Conditioner. So we're going to be trying a few of those products today to make sure that the color that I do, I can still maintain the protein in my hair. The color I'll be using today is the Garnier Nutrice. I actually love this product. It works really well coloring my hair, which is not an easy thing to do. So here we are. We're going to first start off by combing the hair through with a wide tooth comb and making sure I can apply the product evenly, and then I will be back and we'll go on to the next part. Okay, so I'm back, and I basically sectioned off my hair in order to make sure there were no tangles or knots in there. I also made sure to leave one section out because I know that that will be the section that I start with. And as I said, we're going to be using the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color in Platinum. Platinum obviously will lighten my hair up quite a bit, but not to a platinum color. But I do love this particular color because it does lighten it to the color that I like. So basically it's a 3-step system. You have your first bottle, says bottle A, and you just open up the top, set that to the side, and then you have B, which is the bleaching powder. So you just take that and very carefully pour it into the container. Alright, it's all going in. Just be really careful because it is bleach. So you want to make sure you're being extra careful and getting it into the bottle and not all over the place. Alright, so I think we're just about there. Scrape off any excess. If you see any on the side, sometimes you find a little bit on the side, you can just kind of put it back in there. The next step is C, and I've actually already gone ahead and removed the cap and poked a little hole in it so that I can just go ahead and get the product in. I just take it, I usually start at the very edge just work my way down. Get all the product in. Like that. Okay. I think that's pretty good in there. And then I always like to try to get as much out from the end. There could be a little some there. Oop, there towards the end. Try to get as much as that in there as possible. Then you just want to cap back on, hold the edge, and shake. Mix it really, really well. I accidentally popped the cap off that thing earlier, so it's already off. So I just have my finger over it and shake. Just want to shake until all the product is mixed and you know it's all good and ready to go. Now I am not going to do this application on camera because I'm not very depth at it, and I just think that it would take forever on this video. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm back and I have all of the product applied. And if you had seen me applying this, you will understand why I didn't do it on camera. It was a major challenge. Like I said, I'm not very adept at it, so it is something that I try to do. I will probably never do on camera, but I did want to make sure that I mentioned that I do like to add a little bit of oil or something around my ears and all around the sides, just so that I know that I'm not getting any of the product on my skin. So I'll just let that sit and process, and when I'm ready to rinse it all out, I will be back.